Hello there. In this video, we're going to create a project directory and a Python file. The fastest way to create a directory is just to right click on your desktop and click new, click folder. A directory is basically a folder and then you give it a name. I'm going to call it feet to meter and I'm going to create a Python file inside this directory. The text editor I'm going to use to create a Python file is called Atom. So I've got it opened. I'm just going to close these panes and then start a new file. So I click File and then New File. It comes up as Untitled because I've not saved the file. So I'm going to save it into the directory we just created and give it a name. So I'm going to click File and then click on Save As, and then you get a prompt where to save it into. Then select the directory. So that's my directory there, feet to meter. And then here where it's got file name, you give the file a name. So I'm going to call it ft to mt.py. The .py is very important. That's what makes it a Python file. Click Save. You can see here it saved the new Python file into the directory that we created. And if you look on the bottom here, you've got Python displayed, which means it recognizes this file as a Python file. So this is where we're going to write the code we need to build and make our application work. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.
Thank you for joining us on this programming journey. If you found this video insightful and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest programming courses, coding tutorials, and tech discussions. Learning and growing together is what makes our community thrive. So, don't forget to ring the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. Your support fuels our passion for sharing knowledge and empowering aspiring developers like you. If you enjoyed this course, please share it with your friends and fellow programmers. Let's spread the love of coding and create a community of learners who inspire and uplift one another.